All right, so in this video, I want to quickly go over the conversations menu. There's been some updates and changes to it, so let's review what um, changes and updates that have been made. So if we go to conversations here on the menu on the left, you'll see on this left side here, you'll see that we have some new options in the menu that's right here in the conversation section for their set of menus. So we have our team inbox, we have my inbox, and then we have an internal chat. So the team inbox is just where you see all of your teammates, contract workers, anybody that has access to be able to receive conversations, have access to this conversations page. Um, any type of form of communication, you'll be able to see that on this page here. So let's see here for the my inbox. So the my inbox will also show you all of the messages that you receive specifically to you. So that's your section there. And then the internal chat. So the internal chat here, sorry. So the internal chat here is also where you can have conversations with your team members inside of 360. So the way you do that, this one is pretty new as well too. Um, you'll just click on add users and then you select what users that you want to send out a internal message to, and they'll get it inside of their conversations. Um, all right, so that is conversations. Those are the new updates. You will be able to navigate through here just like you normally would before. The only extra feature here is just this section here on the left. You also have um, your contacts information, so quick contact information here as well too. Um, and you also have your icons here on the left here as well too, so that way you can select through contacts, appointments, opportunities, tasks, and notes for the conversation as well too for said contact. All right, so that is the update that's been made to the conversations page. In another video, what we'll do is we'll go through each one of these items here, and I'll be able to thoroughly explain how to utilize each of these new items that have been added to this particular feature.